You know what? I know for a fact that the reason why you stumbled upon my video today is because you are busy video watching and scrolling on YouTube. Anyway, watching videos of different people showing you how you can make money online through different side hustles, side gigs, some passive income ideas, some freelancing gig ideas, blah blah blah, whatsoever. And you know what? That is amazing, I tell you, because you will find a lot of different stuff that you are going to learn. But today you are in luck, because if you are in South Africa or just anywhere in Africa as a whole, and you're looking for a side hustle that you can do that actually makes a decent income, then you are in the right place, because in today's video I'll be showing you five ultimate AI side hustles for beginners. These are different platforms where you can find jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home or wherever you are, whenever you want, and you can be helping to grow AI. And if this sounds like something that would interest you, so stick around with me until the end, as I'm taking you through these platforms and providing you more information. And guys, before we get started on our first platform, please bear with me if you hear some background music and some background noise. Please bear with me. I cannot do anything about that. But anyways, let's get into the first platform that we are going to look at, that is OneForma. So this is available worldwide, and anyone can sign up and take part in different AI side hustles on this platform. On OneForma, you can work from anywhere, and this is a platform that can connect you with part-time and even full-time remote jobs that help businesses unlock their potential of AI. To find work on OneForma, you first need to join the platform. That is obvious. You can do this by selecting the join button on their homepage. You will then fill in your profile information, just your personal information, like your name, username, last name, and all that generic information. And by selecting your country of residence, you see that they are available in pretty much all countries around the world. You can then go ahead and browse for jobs on a daily basis so that you do not miss any work that they have available. They have translation correction jobs, they have data collection jobs, and much more. Another thing I like is that they indicate whether a job is freelance or remote, and for some of these they can show you how much you can potentially earn for completing the job successfully. They offer jobs such as annotation, internet judging, and more. A lot of these jobs are ongoing, and for some jobs that match your profile, they will send information to your email, and you can simply click at the link to go into the OneForma platform and start participating. This is an amazing and awesome platform that you can find beginner-friendly side hustles that will help train AI. The next platform is called Appen, and it's one of the biggest platforms where you can find different AI training jobs. You'll see that they say you can earn and learn remotely with the world's largest AI community. Appen also has an app that you can download to work on the phone on the go whenever you choose. Some of the tasks that you can expect to do here include evaluations of online adverts, recording conversations, and recording action videos, just to name a few. This is an amazing platform with diverse AI training side hustles that anyone can apply to worldwide. Signing up to Appen is pretty simple. On the homepage of their website, you click the three lines and select where it says join our crowd, and when you do so, you will see their partner platform that is called CrowdGen. This is where they have their AI jobs available. You see it says get paid to shape the future of AI. Just go ahead and read through the platform. I like reading through platforms so that I understand what it's all about. Then you just go ahead and click where it says get started. You see where it says start your journey with AI with CrowdGen. And just read there. It says check our openings and apply. follow email instructions and set up your account. You then pass the qualification. You will be taken to study guides, work in your own schedule, and earn money remotely. So yeah, basically that is just all you have to do. And then when you go and click get started, you see that you find a remote jobs. You can filter by your location, the location type, whether you want to work on site or remote. You can just find jobs that are aligning to you just by filtering to whichever tab that you want. And when you click on the job that you want, you can find all the information there in the job, the task overview, who can participate, what you'll be doing, and the payment as well. Some they do pay flat rates, and some they pay hourly. Yeah, they pay hourly rates. So yeah, just go ahead and find the best job for you that suits you and your needs and your qualifications as well. The next platform that we are going to be looking at is an awesome one that also pays people worldwide. What's interesting about this platform is that they also offer you training so that you can understand how to do different tasks within the platform. It's called Remotasks. They say you can earn while doing online tasks from home. And as you can see, they have a big community of over 240K 240,000 taskers around the globe, and they are currently accepting people to sign up. In their homepage, just go ahead and click on the start earning button, create your account, and start finding jobs. They recently started a forum where you can stay informed as a tasker. You can stay informed, get help and support, and also collaborate and connect with other contributors. And on this platform, I discovered that other people are earning up to 6K dollars, not six K thousand. What am I saying? Okay, they are earning $6,000, guys, in rands. I'm in South Africa, and in rands, that's a whole lot of money. I'm telling you, that's a lot of money, and this is monthly. Some people are working and they're making that much a month. Imagine how much you can earn yourself if you're just serious. Next on the list is Clickworker. This is an old one. They are currently looking for people to do different kinds of AI training jobs. You can sign up from anywhere, any part of the world, anywhere that you are. And after clicking to earn money on their homepage, you will see they say you can make money from anywhere, anytime. People are happier if they are more financially independent. Oh, I couldn't agree more. Like, money makes the world go around. Money makes people happy. Money means a happy life, I'm telling you. Anyways, just go ahead and read through the platform. Like I said before, I always advise you to read and understand what you're getting into, what you're getting yourself into. And then you land on the page where you have to select the sign up button. You start the sign up process, which is simple, by just simply filling up your profile information such as, blah blah blah, name, password, and all that. I don't need to tell you everything. And then you just select continue to go to the next step. To see up jobs or jobs that you can do on the Clickworker application, just scroll down to where you can see up jobs. Select the drop down arrow and you see different kinds of jobs that you can do on your phone. These include photo capturing jobs, video creation, and app testing. And for all these jobs, they show you how much you can earn and the number of available jobs. So yeah, go ahead. But that's not all. They have partners such as the UHRS platform where they have different kinds of jobs on demand. They also offer surveys with partners such as CPX Research. If you know about surveys, if you have been into doing surveys, you know CPX research survey partners. They also have tab research as well, so you can check those out as well. Do not miss any opportunity of earning on this platform. The last platform on this list is one of my favorites, Telus Digital. Yes, I have spoken about this platform in my previous video, and I love Telus Digital because it has made me quite a few dollars, and it is an exciting platform where you can help train AI. What's even more exciting about this platform is you can even score full-time jobs. As you see, they say you can join their remote AI community of 1 million plus members worldwide. Yes, and to get started with finding AI jobs in Telus Digital platform, just go ahead to their careers tab by clicking at the three lines, and then on the AI community, that's where you click. There you'll see different kinds of jobs, such as internet ads evaluator, geodata evaluator, personalized internet ads assessor, and many more kind of jobs, just to mention a few. And to search for different jobs, you can select the job type tab, and you can also select jobs by location. When you go to the locations tab, you see the different countries where they have offices, and also you can search by your language as well and find jobs that you are able to do. You get the details for each job by selecting the job that you are interested in. That's where you find all the details, like payment, like your requirements, or who can join and what you have to do, and all that nitty-gritty stuff. But anyways, guys, those are the 5 AI side hustles that I had for you today. These are for beginners, and you can do them right now in 2025. You do not have to wait. Start now signing up to these platforms and apply to these jobs. Some of them, they require a resume or CV. Just go ahead and create a CV, a well-tailored CV for you, that is well crafted and well written. And yeah, I promise you, you will start earning some decent income from these jobs, because some of them are just simple. They're simple jobs that you just need to evaluate some stuff. Maybe it's social media. You just need to listen to audio recordings and just watch videos, and just help AI to do better and work better. So yeah, do not miss out on these opportunities. And like always, do let me know in the comments what you think about these AI side hustles. Have you ever tried them before, and what was the results? And also, do not forget to like, subscribe. I would really appreciate that so much. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, love you.